Following on from the previous video, your kids should now be at a stage where they can accept x squared, they can accept y squared, and now they should be able to accept xy, what it means to have x times y. So remember, in the previous video we introduced xy as being a lion and a tiger. When you multiply the two, they will merge together. The two will merge together to create something new. Now this liger here is different from this lion here. But then extend this xy, extend it by multiplying it with another x. So tell them that when you multiply it with another x, so in effect what you've got here is x, a block of x times a block of y. Now and then you multiply with another block of x. So get this block and multiply with this. So a simpler way would be to say x squared, and then you've got this y lingering around. So let's just attach it on there. So it becomes a new entity. So this thing here is different from your liger. And then, well, extend this thing here, extend it into this thing here. And then later on we can extend it even further by saying, well, if you have this thing here, x squared y, and then you times, let's say x to the power of 5, y to the power of 3, you can still multiply the two. The two would just merge together to give you x to the power of 7, y to the power of 4. And then extend this and keep on going until they're fully fluent in this. So once they understand something like this, x squared y, well then you can ask them to simplify this. So you can present this to them. So this one here, well they should be able to pick out that this is the same as this. Well, that's exactly the same here. So they can merge these three together. They can merge. Oh, sorry, there's an equal sign there. Hang on. So when you present this to them, hopefully they should be able to pick out that this is the same as this. So that they can merge the two together. That would then give them 5xy. And then here, this is exactly the same as this. So they can merge the 4 and the 5 to give them a 9. But then you got to teach them that this is different from this. So this is like your liger, and this is like your graph. The two are different, so they can't merge together. Well, hopefully they teach them that this is different from this, and then you can extend it further. Hang on. So you can extend it even further. So later on, when they're when they are fluent with this, extend it and present this to them. Give them this and ask them to multiply with this. Well, what you've got here is a block of 3, a block of x to the power of 3, a block of y, and so on. So this thing here becomes this, and then now you can well, they're all multiplying together. So when you have this multiply with this, they're all multiplying with each other. So that's this multiplying with this. Well, just merge these two to give you a 6, and then this times this to give you this, and this times this to give you this, and so on. You can keep on extending it, but then I will continue in the next video.